Good afternoon, crypto traders. All right, so wow, we had a drop off the cliff last night, right? Many of us were probably sleeping when this happened. Yesterday afternoon, I sent out a quick alert. I think it was around 4:30 to my paid subscribers, and you guys know I was concerned about this line that we were sitting on. We break below that, and you daily viewer, you guys that view this daily crypto update know I've been talking about this forever. Top side of this line, I'm bullish. Bottom side, I'm bearish. It's really that black and white. And currently, we are in bearish territory. All right, so it looks like the bears brought us all the way down to 41,000 ish. What is the low? 41.6. And then the buying started. All right. And it's been all day long. We've been seeing the buyers come back in. And I believe what might happen here is today we'll end up closing somewhere above that 50,000 resistance, which is currently acting as resistance. But my hopes is that we come back up and sit on that and use that as a support, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. All right. I really was kind of hesitant putting out a video because we don't know what it's hard to tell what the future holds for Bitcoin, our crypto leader. At this point, are we going to start to go into a bear market, or are the bulls going to bring us back above this key level of resistance and use that as support? This whole thing might just be a big shakeout, and really to understand that we have to wait for more price action, more candles. This whole candle right here, that's a bullish candle. So we have to see what tomorrow brings. And of course, I like to see confirmation on the daily, which means we open and close again below that level of resistance for me to know that, yeah, we are going bearish. If we open below that resistance, let's say we open here on the next candle, but we close up here, well, now we've gone bullish again. All right. So I can't really say to make a decision. My positions, I close them out manually. I set my um, targets, sell targets, and then I just watch the market and close out positions in the best price possible. Of course, I'm a swing trader, so my swings are anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks, and that usually means I need a couple of days to determine where the trend is going. And I can't just tell from one candle here. This was a big shakeout. The bots came in, sold us off, triggered stops all the way down. I mean, stops were set off all the way down here. I mean, just the selling was massive. I think we lost somewhere around 225 billion got liquidated just last night. Incredible price action. And now the bulls are bringing us back up. So, long story short, on this, we do have to see what tomorrow brings, what the rest of today brings, because I want to see us come back up this level, on top of this level of resistance. I'd love to see us up there. That's a good sign. And then we want to see what tomorrow happens. Do we open and close below this line of resistance, or do we open and close above this line of resistance? That's going to tell us a lot. And then on the crypto markets, especially with these big moves, a lot of times I like to see not just 2 days, but 3 days, because crypto is open 24/7. In the old days when I traded on the stock exchange, 2 days was enough. Market open, market close, market open, market close. Crypto never closes. So a lot of times that price action will bleed into another day. And so you need another candle really to tell you what's going on. On our crypto dashboard here, the Fear Greed Index is in extreme fear. And, that's obviously often a good buying opportunity for you guys. When you see it get to that level, that's when you start buying. I had several of my subscribers, after I sent out that notification yesterday, said, they sold at this level. And guess what they did? Smart. Bought down here. And that's so selling at this level, all right, that's a 50-50 chance because you're right on the border at that point, right? We don't know. You can flip a coin. I call that coin flip territory. Heads, you stay bullish and you don't sell. Tails, you go bearish and you sell. All right, it's anybody's guess at that point. But some of you guys took a good guess, took a good gamble. You sold there and you bought down there. Excellent, excellent, and good for you. I'm happy for you guys. You did real well. Um, and some of you guys, you held from this point, and we were sleeping all through the night. So it really didn't matter what happened here. Now we're at this level. And now we have to see, as swing traders, what happens. Do we start to offload some of our positions or not? And that's really what we're looking at here. But, anyways, the greed index is a good sign that many buyers are going to come in and buy this market. Another thing that I want to look at here is this RSI. We're definitely into oversold territory, or almost in right now. We were in oversold territory, just barely. But see this down here? That doesn't happen that often, especially on Bitcoin in a bull market, which we were and maybe still are in, remains to be seen. But that is when RSI gets down here in this area, especially near past 30 and into the 20s, dude, that's the time to buy this market up. And so some of you guys got a real good deal down here, and good for you. I'm happy for you. Now hold on to that. It might come back down. We have to see what these, this chart tells us and the rest of the charts. Let's look at Bitcoin dominance real quick. We're headed down there to that 40% mark, exactly as I have been stating the last 3 or 4 days. And I think we're going to touch that and maybe bounce. But, that's also a good sign for altcoins that we're going down there. Or it can be a good sign. It doesn't have to be, but it can be. Let's take a look at Ethereum, speaking of altcoins. Ethereum, look at this. Ethereum is still strong. This is still bullish, guys. This is not only a bullish hammer candle pattern, but we are above this neckline. Bears tried to take us below this, but no way. They couldn't take Ethereum down. Not on this move. So this is still bullish territory up here. Now, yeah, we have some resistance up ahead of us. This level of resistance in the 50-day. We've had that in the past, several times in the past here. Look at this. And, the bulls keep taking us above that. So bulls still looking strong in the Ethereum space. Total 2, which is all the altcoins and led by Ethereum, because it is including Ethereum, we're right in that neutral territory. This candle is neutral. This candle is bullish, but this is neutral territory. So, overall, I'm still not, this is not, I'm not scared. I'm not panicked for sure, because this is just a shakeout as far as I see so far. I could be wrong. We have to wait, observe, measure, analyze all the data, take our time, and make adequate decisions. All right. This is Coin Market Cap. This is Bitcoin. So yesterday, 985, and look at the bottom here, 850. So just Bitcoin lost, what is that? 125 billion in market cap, just Bitcoin alone. Crazy selling, insane. So going forward, here's what I'm looking at, guys, and you can go along with this strategy or not. Maybe some of you guys are out waiting to see the bulls come back, and that's great too. Some of you guys are all in cash. Hey, you're in a good spot too. We're in unknown territory. We have not confirmed this bearish move, so I want to see where this candle closes tonight. If we close under this territory here of 50,000, all right, that's something I have to look at. Where are we going to open tomorrow? Where do we close tomorrow? That might be prime time to start offloading your positions, because that could indicate we're going further down. All right. If we close above this territory here, but below our resistance line that I continue to bring up, then it might be time to start offloading your positions somewhere in this territory. You want to start selling at the best price possible. All right. So allow the bulls to bring us back up to as far as they can, and then sell your positions as long as we remain under this level of resistance. That, again, for me, that's the line in the sand. You guys might have different. You guys might have this charted differently. I'm only telling you what I'm doing. All right. So right now, currently, I am looking to sell at the best price possible. All right. So I'm still in positions, but I'm waiting for these bulls to bring us up as far as they can. Oftentimes, what we like to do when we break out to the top side of these triangles or to the bottom side of these triangles. See this triangle right here? All right. We broke to the downside of the triangle. What do I say we like to do? All the time I say we like to come back and kiss mama goodbye. All right. So if we're going to be bearish, one thing we'll probably do is come back up and kiss the underside of that resistance line before we continue down. So I'm going to wait for the best price possible to sell. Should we stay on the underside of this resistance, it is possible that the bulls take us right back over to the top side of that, in which case I just continue to hold and watch the bears do their thing. All right. So that is my strategy, and hopefully that has helped you out. If you have any questions, post those in the comments below, and look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Usually I don't do these updates every single day. I prefer just to do them Monday through Friday, but because of this price action, I felt it necessary just to update you all on what I'm seeing and what my strategy is going forward. Best of luck to you all, traders, and stay safe out there.